I've known her for years, but my text to her was very clear. Hey, hope everything's going well. Hope the family's well. Boom. I don't just come in there and say, hey, I need 825 grand. Can you do it? Might not be received very well, right? So care about the person. She responded back, hey, Willie, how are you? Yeah, everything's great. How are you? How's your mother? Blah, 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 blah. She knows my family. And she said, how can I help you? And I said, look, I'm in a position where another lender backed out of a deal. Here's the situation. I need an $825,000 loan by Friday because I need to close because the city has a certain date that I need to close to get these liens closed out. Property's worth 1.2. I need 825. My exit strategy is to flip it. I already have buyers lined up. I should be in and out in about 45 to 60 days. I'm open to terms. Poof. That's it. I said I'm open to terms so that I know what I'm asking, number one. I'm asking somebody to go either have the money themselves or go source almost $1 million in less than 36 hours. That is synonymous with you're going to get absolutely clobbered on fees. It's going to happen because now people have to move other deals around. They have to shuffle you to the top of the deck. Now you're the priority. Some other stuff might get sacrificed, right? Now they got to do a bunch of extra work. First of all, I think it's the right thing to do. If you need something and you're like, hey, I got 45 days to close, urgency's not there, right? You should not charge me extra points for an expediting fee because you got time. But if I'm asking you to come up with 825 in 36 hours, I expect you to want to make more money. That's just basic. So of course, she communicated back with me and she let me know, sure, that's a tight timeline. You understand that I'm going to have to charge an extra point for the expediting. I normally charge 2 points for the expediting, but I'll only charge you 1 because we had a relationship. Are you okay with that? And I said, absolutely. I'm totally fine with that. As long as I get 100% financing and that I can do what I can do and that you're okay with closing with the violation open. She said, yup, please send me the details of violation. Long story short, it was very good communication. And in less than 3 hours, we had a loan lined up, which is going to close tomorrow. Again, if I start going at her with, well, what happened on this deal, and let me tell you, well, this deal is this, but what really happened was that, and well, the liens were this, and how much trouble we had to go through, and what happened with the other lender, and blah, 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 blah. Dude, you're so done. That's poor communication. Number one, you look like shit. Number two, you look nervous, you look desperate. Now they're like, what's really going on with this deal? I don't feel comfortable, right? This guy's really nervous about this deal. Maybe I'll do extra due diligence. Maybe I won't do the 825. Maybe I should do 725 to protect my position, right? Just be calm, be cool, especially in the face of fire. You just have to communicate. Remember the end goal, right? Now, it's taken me many, many years to get there, but communication is very key. If you can effectively communicate, and there's levels to communication, you can literally obtain whatever you want in your life.